Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use internet on Eurowings flights. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in eurowings.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Eurowings if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have, as you can see, the Explore, Book, Information, Flight and Hotel, My Trip, Check-in. And in the top right corner, on the other hand, we have, as you can see, your profile. And in the middle of the screen, or in the bottom, however you want to call it, is the option where you can go and book your flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use internet on Eurowings flights. So to use the internet, you need to turn on the flight mode on your device and go to your device settings and turn on Wi-Fi. Then look for the Wings Connect network in the list of available Wi-Fi networks and connect to it. You'll be prompted to purchase one of the available internet packages. Choose the package that best suits your needs. For messaging apps, 2.90 euros or 3.90. That is the chat content. For, of course, 30 or 60 minutes of internet access, it's 3.9 or 6.9. For full flight duration internet access, it's 7.9 or 9.90 euros. Once you purchase the package, you can start browsing the internet, checking emails, or using apps as needed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.